So here is a quick LinkedIn Premium. So these are just because it's a little small on the screen. You've got Career, Business, Sales Navigator, Recruiter Lite, and Learning. I have personally never paid for LinkedIn. I've never really felt like I needed to. So this is a varying opinion. I'm sure in the chat, some of you might even share if you're interested, if you're paying or not. Now you'll always know if someone's paying because I'm going to jump back over here. They have that little in thing there. So sometimes people will pay for their because they want more insights. They want to know more. So if you're doing LinkedIn and you're really trying to sell, but remember, sell with the idea that it's social selling, you might want to know everyone that's looking at your personal profile. It may be worthwhile for you, but I have not really ever needed to do that because I work the system. And I just saw somebody put organic is best. But the thing is, it's really about knowing what you can and can't have access to as well. And for some people, it might be worthwhile depending upon what your business goals are. The company premium page is, again, like my staff asks me this all the time, like, your profile gets so much more attention than our business page. And I'm like, it's okay, because for us, my business page is for you guys who are on here as a way of validating us. For us, it's not a big lead generation. It's more for us as a way to attract talent, to show off our talent, and also to legitimize us as an organization. And that's okay. But for other people, their business page might be for actually building and recruiting leads. So I do think you need to think about that. But I've personally never been someone who pays for LinkedIn. Now, let's move that. Oh, so this is for you guys to see business.linkedin.com if you want this information.